Hey there traders, welcome to another market update video. Today is the 18th of May 2021. We're going to start off here on Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. First off, we're going to talk about this liquidity zone, or well, this trading range that Bitcoin is finding itself in. It's currently trading between $46,000 and around about $41,000. So it's a nice $5,000 range. For me right now, I'm going to be patient and wait to see what this one wants to do. If we do see that Bitcoin breaks below this level, I would be looking to open up some short positions on that, probably targeting a move back down to the upper 30,000s, probably all the way back down to 38,500, maybe even lower, all the way back down to around $35,000 per Bitcoin. But to the same token, if we do manage to hold this area as support, this is where we're going to be looking to start taking some long positions as soon as Bitcoin breaks and closes above this liquidity zone accompanied by volume. Then we'll be aiming much higher, maybe even all the way back up to $56,000 per Bitcoin. Right now, this is quite a bearish market. We do see a downtrend confirmed on the daily chart. We're seeing lower lows and lower highs. On the weekly chart, we did confirm below our previous swing low. So that's not a picture of health and wellness right there. So on the weekly chart, probably would be looking for Bitcoin to come back down to around $32,000 longer term if it does remain below this previous weekly low. So anything up to this previous weekly low would be bearish unless we can break above, like I said, this area of the market. I would remain bearish in the longer term. Short term though, we can probably look at some long positions around here once they do present themselves. We could make some money to the upside as well as the downside here. If it breaks below that level was accompanied by a volume, I'd be looking to go short on Bitcoin. So that's it for now for Bitcoin. I've only got a few coins on my list here that I'm keeping an eye on currently. BNB holding this level of structure as support, very similar to Bitcoin here. If we break below this structure of support, it's very possible for BNB to come back down to about $430, maybe even as low as $400 even. But to the same token, if it can close above the 21 exponential right here in this previous liquid zone, I'd be looking for it to fill out this range all the way back up to $612. Ethereum, very similar situation, currently holding support right here around $3,400. I do want to see how it holds this support level. If it bounces from here, then perhaps we'd be looking for it to close above this level, and we'd be taking some long positions from there. But if it closes below this previous liquidity zone right here, I'd be looking to go short on this one, probably aiming for a move back down much lower for Ethereum. In fact, the next level that comes to mind here is going to be around $2,600 per Ethereum if we do start seeing a breakdown in price here. Again, no lower lows on the weekly chart like on Bitcoin, so this one is still very bullish. Even looking at the daily chart here, closing below the 21 exponential, probably not the healthiest thing that Ethereum could be doing right now. So I would be actually looking for a move back down to the very least that $2,650 level, even looking at it from a daily chart perspective. So I'm going to be patient on this one. Let me just have a look at Bitcoin's daily chart here real quick, just one more time. I'm going to be patient on Ethereum here. It looks more to me like this one wants to take a short rather than wanting to continue to the upside, unless we can close above, like I said, this previous liquidity zone. Up until then, I won't be looking to take any kind of positions there, to be honest. Let's have a look at Chainlink, currently retesting that 21 exponential as resistance, holding resistance on a previous level of structure. It did close below the 55 exponential, which is not necessarily the best thing in the world. So short-term downside here, looking at Chainlink, probably will be making its way back down to this liquidity zone. But do we get bought back up as soon as we get to this liquidity zone, or do we just dump from here? I do think this one's going to be bought back up, to be quite honest, same as Litecoin. We're looking to take a long position on Litecoin right over here. Broke with some decent volume above our previous level of structure, our previous liquidity zone. We also have this liquid zone here currently holding as support. So if we can get this trade triggered and entered today, that would be fantastic. I do think this one still has a little bit more upside potential. Currently holding the 21 exponential on the daily chart as resistance. Not necessarily a bad thing in and of itself. I mean, we've seen this many times, holding the 21 as resistance right there, holding it as resistance right there. Actually, this one actually did dump even further, so that could be an opportunity for us to short if we do close below any kind of liquid zone on the 4-hour chart. I mean, if we close below this liquid zone, I would most likely go short on this one again. But for now, I'm remaining short-term bullish, looking for it to fill out this range. It kind of already did fill out this range, but I do think that another buy opportunity around this level is in the cards, and we can take some profits off the table on that one. So that's all the coins I'm going to discuss today: Litecoin, Link, Ethereum, BNB, and Bitcoin. All of them have major opportunities awaiting us. We just need to be patient and wait for them to start playing in our favor. Right, that's it, short and sweet. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers for now. Bye bye.